Hi, my name is Bryon with All American Eyeglass Repair, and I want to talk about our refurbishing service that we offer. This is for acetate or plastic frames only. Here we have a beautiful Cartier frame where the frame itself starts to turn white from all the oxidization on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and remove all of that oxidization, then go through and sand and polish the frame, and we'll show you the finished result. These guys will shine like they're brand new. Now that we have completed the full frame refurbish, it leaves the frame looking brand new. All the white oxidization is gone. The frames are polished, shine. They look virtually brand new. If this is something that interests you, visit one of our local stores or visit our website, AmericanEyeglassRepair.com, because you need to see now.